Here's a quick tip on how to make your mouse scroll faster. Never been on a page and then you have to scroll and scroll and scroll before you go to the bottom of it. Now here's a way to make it faster. Go to your search bar and type in mouse. Select mouse settings. Then from here you choose how many lines to scroll each time. So currently it's at 3. You can add that to 18. Let's see how that will go. See how fast that is. Let's try on this end. It's much faster. Now you can go back and add more if you want to make it super fast. Let's try that. Exactly. So play along with this settings to get the setting that you want to work with, and that's it. Here's a quick tip on how to make your browser super fast. Now go to your browser of choice. Mine will be Google Chrome, and then hold down Ctrl+Shift+R, and then this will refresh it. And what it has done is that it has cleared all the cache, and now your browser will be super fast. Here's a free antivirus for your PC. Now head over to your search bar and type in MRT, then select run command. Click yes. Then from here just click next, and what this will do is that it will perform a quick scan. So click next, and then it will scan your computer for malicious software and then remove them. Did you know the reason why your computer is slowing down is because you do not clean your graphics driver? Now a quick way to clean your graphics driver is by holding down Ctrl+Shift+B, and then let it refresh your Windows, and you'll notice that it will be much faster. Did you know that you can change the size of your start menu? Now all you have to do is click on your start menu and then hold down Ctrl Alt and the up arrow key, and this will extend it. If you press the down arrow key while still holding down the Ctrl and Alt buttons, it will reduce the size. If I press the right arrow key, it will expand it. If I press the left arrow key, it will go back to its normal size. So go ahead and play along with this new feature.